Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is on Immutable X.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space, and we will be talking about a cryptocurrency called Immutable X. As you guys know, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research, and yeah.
So as you can see here, it's been pumping recently, as by the charts as well. It's been in consolidation as it seems. Well, let's look in there. Yeah, it seems to be that it's been in consolidation, and now it's had its little pump here. As you see today, it's been up 25%. Market cap is $1.1 billion, so it's a fairly big coin with the price as well. As you can see, the circulating supply right now is 188,160,000 tokens of Immutable X, and the total supply is 2 billion. So there's a lot to be released. Only a tenth, only a fifth of it really, only a tenth of it really is in supply. Right now in circulation right now, so there's a lot to go, and with that the price does go down, but for long-term holders it's better obviously as there's more to be bought up. As you can see, it did break its all-time high about 6 days ago, but I'm assuming it did was due to the dump we've had recently due to Bitcoin. So we could go and retest these highs, which could be a little gain there, and break out from there.
As you can see from their website, they have stated that it is the first layer 2 for NFTs on Ethereum. There's zero gas fees, instant trades, and carbon neutral NFTs for marketplaces, games, and application without compromise. So you can build your NFT business in hours with their APIs. They have got a exchange protocol which has zero gas fees, as we've said, and you can set your own trading fees if you want. And there's massively scalable up to 9,000 TPS, and it's not a centralized sidechain, so it's all decentralized. And it's created or traded on Immutable X for all the NFTs that they have on here, and it is all 100% carbon neutral, and they are more secure.
One other thing with Immutable X, I could see this coin definitely being listed on KuCoin, as it says here. It's not listed on KuCoin yet. So if it gets listed on KuCoin, that would result in a bigger pump. And as we see, there's already big pumps going on with it, 25% just today. So if it got listed on KuCoin, that would be a good thing for this project.
As you can see here, they have got a high performance minting, so fast track your products with Immutable X Mint, a secure way to create and distribute assets on a massive scale. So create both of the Ethereum tokens, zero gas costs, as I said, same security as the mainnet for Ethereum, and assets tradable instantly and designed for single and bulk minting.
So as you can see, Immutable X, this is their marketplace. There's various collections here. It's basically just NFTs, so there's loads here. So lots of they had the featured ones here. So for example, if you go into Gods Unchained, you have all the NFTs here of the cards with all the prices, and it's basically what you'd expect from an NFT marketplace. Apart from they have a game coming for early adopters of Immutable X, which will be able to take advantage, which will be able to use NFTs in the game, I believe, and also receive NFTs from this. And there's also various rewards involved in that. But yeah, and also obviously it's not like any old NFT marketplace. It's got its advantages, as we mentioned at the beginning of the video, as Hamza mentioned. So it's definitely worth trying to use. So that is now the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed, and if you have, please make sure you leave that like button and also press that red subscribe button. It really helps us out. And yeah, have a lovely rest of your day.